em nóng.
Okay, so welcome to our next lesson, next sentence of Mama's voice. Right? And we have a story of a woman, and her name is Sarah. Right? And Sarah recently retired from her job of 23 years. She has less money than she used to. She has enough money for herself, but she has a problem. Yes, a problem. She has two sons. One is 23 and the other is 26. Both sons work. However, they both live at home with their mom. Eat the food and expect her to cook for them. Okay, and let's see what happened. What happened to their family? What happened to the mom and what happened to the son? Okay. They are so lazy. Lazy. Lazy is mean. Right? It's the opposite of work hard. Right? Lazy is mean you don't want to do anything. You're so lazy. I'm lazy. Something like that. Okay. They are two sons, right? They are 1, 2, 3, go. They are so lazy. Okay, lazy like this. Or like this. Okay, like this. They are so lazy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. They are
so lazy.
Lazy. They are so lazy. 1, 2, 3, go. They are so lazy. They are so lazy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. They are so lazy. Okay. Okay, so do this one more time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
They are so lazy.
Lazy. Okay, they are so lazy. Okay. So now we come to their mini story. Right. Now we come to the mini story. And in this mini story, I will do two things. Okay? I'll do two things. I will do two things. Great. The first thing I'll do is I'll read this sentence. I'll read this sentence. And you need to say, oh, right. First thing when I make a statement, you need to say, right. And the second thing I will do is I'll ask you a lot of questions. And you need to shout the answer out loud, right? You need to shout the answer out loud. And remember, you need to shout the answer immediately. Okay? This is very important. Very, very important. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, so they are so lazy. Right, so who are so lazy?
Awesome.
Two sons. Two sons are so lazy. So what is the name of the two sons?
Tony and Iron Man.
One is Tony and the other is Iron Man. Okay, the younger brother is Tony and the older brother is Iron Man. So how are they?
Are so lazy.
They're so lazy. Yes, they're so lazy. Or they work hard.
No.
No, they're not. They're not. Okay, they're not. They do not work hard. They are so lazy. Okay, so how are they? They're so lazy.
They are so lazy.
So who are so lazy?
Boston.
Yeah, two sons. Two sons are so lazy. Yeah. So what are they doing?
They are so lazy.
Tony is a worker. And Iron Man is
a singer.
Yeah. Do they work? Yeah, they
Yes.
work. Both sons work. They both work. Okay, so do they have money themselves? Yeah, they can get money themselves. Okay, because they have job, they work, they have a job. Tony is a worker and he have salary himself, and Iron Man is a singer and he also has salary himself. Yeah, and they have money themselves. But they both live at home with their mom. Okay, so who lives at home with their mom? Yeah, Tony and Iron Man. Tony and Iron Man both They eat mom's food. And they also encourage her to cook for them. They do not cook. Do they cook for mom?
No.
No, they do not. They never cook for mom. They expect mom to cook for them. And they do not cook. So, do they cook and they eat their food? No, no. They do not cook and they do not eat their food. They eat Sarah's food. They eat mom's food. And they expect mom to cook for them. They do not cook. They do not eat food themselves. They don't pay money for mom. They are so lazy. Yeah. So, who are so lazy?
Person.
Tony and Iron Man. Tony and Iron Man are so lazy. How old is Tony?
Okay.
Yeah, he's 23. Right? Tony is 23.
At
How old is Iron Man?
26.
Iron Man is
23 years old.
Yeah, Iron Man is 26. And both sons work. Yeah, both sons work. They both work. Tony is a worker. Iron Man is a singer. Yeah. They both live home with their mom. But they eat the food and expect her to cook for them. They are so lazy. Okay, so this is the end of this mini story with this sentence. When you come here, I will need to listen to this mini story again and again and again. Okay, as much as you can. This is very important, very, very important. Okay, thank you very much and see you in our next sentence. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.